Hey music family, it's Oz here from Ozzy's Music Academy. I'm coming at you today with some ukulele chord tutorials. These tutorials are going to set you up to play Count on Me by Bruno Mars, which uses 6 of the most popular chords for ukulele. Once you learn these 6 chords, you'll pretty much be able to play anything. For this video, we want to make sure that the head of our ukulele, where our tuners are, is on the left side. So make sure that it's sitting on this side for you. For me, it's going to be over here because this is my left hand. And then that way we know that our A string, which is our first string, is closest to our toes. Our ukulele is going to be tuned up already, which you will have done. And then our strumming patterns for today's chords are going to be as follows. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So there's our strumming patterns for each one of these. So let's get started on our chords. Our next chord that we're going to work on is our D minor chord. We're just working up the scale from C, D, E, F, G, and A. So D minor is going to be orange. I use orange for this one. This one's a little bit more complicated. It uses 3 fingers. So we're going to start with our index finger on the 2nd string. So we count up from the floor from our toes. 1, 2, this is the E string. Then we're going to take our middle finger and that's going to go all the way up to the top. And then we're going to slide our ring finger in underneath it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. So again, that's going to be our first finger goes up, 2nd string, 1st fret. Middle finger goes up to the top, 4th string, 2nd fret. And then our ring finger is going to go underneath it, 3rd string, 2nd fret. This is our D minor chord. Ready? And here we go. There's your D minor chord. Go make some music. This is Oz at Ozzy's Music Academy. A world with more music sounds beautiful. Peace. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, send this to friends, check out my Facebook page, Instagram, and Patreon. Thanks for joining. Peace.